Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today we're gonna make a very special Kerala dish. That is chicken tapioca biryani. Let's see how to make this. Let's boil 1 kg of tapioca which is cut into cubes. Meanwhile, marinate the chicken with some chili powder, coriander powder and turmeric. Mix it really well and keep it aside. Now you can see the tapioca has started to boil. Drain the water. Now again add the required water to cook the tapioca and add some salt. It's always nice to drain the first water from the tapioca while cooking. This is the healthy advice I always get from my elders. Now to prepare the chicken, heat another pan, add some coconut oil. Add in some mustard seeds. Allow it to splutter. Into that, add in finely chopped shallots, chopped onion, ginger and garlic, and saute it for a couple of minutes. Once the onion turns translucent, add in some curry leaves and 1 split green chili. If you want it more spicy, you can add more green chilies. Now add in chili powder, coriander powder, Garam Masala and some turmeric powder. Saute it for a couple of minutes. Let's add in the marinated chicken and saute it. You don't require to add water to cook the chicken. Reduce the flame to medium and cook it. Now you can see the chicken has released water, which is sufficient to cook the chicken. Now let's check our tapioca, which was cooking on another flame. It's just perfectly cooked. I totally forgot to add salt into the chicken, so add the required salt. You can add the salt at the time of adding spices. Now our chicken is also cooked. Now add in the boiled tapioca and mix it really well. You can also mash some tapioca while mixing. Now cover it and cook on a low flame for 5 minutes. And finally, add in some roasted coconut on top. Now our delicious chicken tapioca biryani is ready. Garnish it with some more roasted coconut. Finely chopped onions. And some curry leaves with a green chili. This is one of my favorite Kerala dish. So definitely try out this recipe and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Google+, and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.